So here you provide the term when this particular course is going to run. So let's say I mention 2021 underscore sem 5, and again no spaces or special characters. After that, what you just need to do is click on this create icon here, and once you are sure that everything is okay, we will just go on and click on create. All right, so now this has basically set up your course. This will be by the name machine learning, as it mentions here. And now the next step, of course, would be to kind of provide details about or description of this particular course. Now, the first thing that you want to see here is going to be the course outline, and in which case it will be asking you for structuring the course, which we will, of course, do after we have added the description of the course and details of the course. Now, there are three important buttons on the top. One is the content, second is the settings, and third is the tools. We will be majorly working with the content and the settings option, and both of them will help you in managing the course as well as its contents. Now, if I click on these, the first one is the content. If I click on it, you will be able to see these options and will definitely work with some of them. The first option, which is outline, is the basic place where you will see the structure of the course. The second part, which is the settings part, will help you manage some important aspects of this particular course, like schedule and details, grading, the course team, and some other aspects. Finally, is the tools, which basically helps importing and exporting uh, some modules. But we will be majorly focusing now on the first two tabs, which is content and settings. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to click on settings and move to schedule and details. Now, once you click on schedule and details, it will basically help you add your course description and other related details. So now let's see how we can do that. So this is the schedules and details page. Here it allows you to provide this to invite your students via email. And of course, there are other ways which we will see. It helps you set the course pacing. Should it be instructor paced? That means you decide how the course progresses, or should it be self paced, in which it moves according to the learner. Now, what we will be playing with here is the course schedule, in which case we are basically going to decide on two dates. One is when the course starts and ends, and the other is when the enrollment begins and ends. So this thing is the course start date, which is when you would like to initiate the course contents. So if you click on it, you basically will get a calendar, and here you can make your changes. So for instance, I make it 2021, and let's say I want to start this course on 20th of January 2021. Next thing that it allows you to do is to give a course start time, and please remember this is in UTC, so accordingly you will set an appropriate time here. Next is the course end date, in which case you will be providing the end date for this course. So let's say the course ends on 31st January, and you may also provide a course end time.